What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today we're going to put to the test a whole bunch of gadgets again I found on Amazon. Let's see what I got this time. Check out this knife. A little bit scary, but because there's a hole that your finger might go through and cut you, but the mechanics of it is very cool. I wish there was no holes inside here because it's just terrifying to have, but the idea is so cool. So you just open it and then it becomes a safety. Now it's locked, so then close it, open it back up, and then push it on it to close it, and then boom, close it. Very good idea. Not so much right here on the handle, should have been covered up. Here's another really cool new knife I found. There's a little two buttons. You just press on it and look how it's folding it. Have you seen a folding knife like this? There's a name for it. Boom. That one I found on TikTok. So you just lift it, open it. So cool. Again, press this and it flips it all the way through and locks it. That is so satisfying. And one more time, slow, all the way out and locks it. There's one and two buttons. Feel like not the easiest way to close it, but I love weird folded knives like that. Outward rope. If you enjoy camping, you probably want to have one of these rolls. Now there's 3 different sizes. This is paracord on rolls like this, easily, and then you just grab it right here and cut it open and lock it back up. And carabiner, fishing kits on the bottom of it, or you have right here full size pick lighter. Also this is same concept, but 100-pound 125 micro cord, really durable, pocket size. Hang it on a backpack, you won't even notice it's there. You can also fish with this line, by the way, removable blade, and you could probably put in fishing kit in here and use this line as fishing, but mini big lighter for reference will fit there perfectly. Even have a lot of space. And this is the latest model right here. Open it, close it. So this right here, you don't have to worry about losing the cup because it's all stays together, and the blade is covered as well. So open it, untwist it, take as much rope as you need, slide it open, tighten it back up, close it back up. Nice carabiner here. Next I got right here mighty bar, and this is nice. Put on a kitchen, you can break through the entire box. You can actually break up the box. Check this out. On the side right here, and it's break through the box easily. It's a piece of titanium. If you need to pry something open, come on, focus camera, or like scrape something off on the keychain, doesn't take much weight. It's beautiful, looks really durable, but the edge is skinny enough to pry things open that is like skinny. Lumen Top makes a really cool flashlight. This one is Frog. Let's see what it's about. Super tiny, so rechargeable right here, keychain size, USB-C, Lumen Top, Frog on this side. Okay, usually because they're pretty powerful, there is a little protector on a flashlight. Yep, there it is. So if you usually get flashlight wondering why it's not working, you just need to take off the protector. You have right here, easy to turn it off and on, press and hold, different modes, and a toolbar. What is a toolbar? 700 lumen turbo flashlight. So small, I can't believe nowadays the little flashlights, keychain flashlights, can go up to 700 lumen. What if I press 3 times? Yep, flashing. Awesome. Ugreen 160 watt, 20,000 mAh, and 100 watt max output. So let's see. Power bank. First time checking out the Ugreen. Okay, I think there's like wires and everything comes with this. Little battery, like a laptop battery. Ooh, look at that. It's retractable. Boom. Wow, that is nice. That's long. Probably doesn't even need that long, so it's nice to have the option. magnetic, USB-C, USB-A. Beautiful. How do we turn it on? Button right here. That's cool display, 28%. Let's remove that to see the full potential of the screen. Oh yeah, much brighter. Let's plug in my phone. Okay, 36%. It's charging. Much needed it. Oh wow, it's showing the output on a screen. Look at that. It has 33 watt output right now, charging. So I could plug in maybe a laptop because it's a 100 watt max output. So this is awesome. And it says 35 minutes to 80%. Wow, I'm just gonna leave it charge it. That is awesome. This one is for the divers. This is a diving flashlight, and this one is unique. It has right here dual headlamp. What is it? Workhorse DL05. Okay, there's a kind of like a holder, so that way you don't drown it. But yeah, there's on and on. Beautiful. Will be easy. Wow, look at that battery. So I remove that on the. There you go. Wow, that was annoying. Okay, let's keep going. It's locked. We have right here spotlight and a floodlight. Easy as that. So that way you just flip it over. You wanna go deep, far away to wanna see, or spotlight. It's so cool. And also they could be on a tripod as well. And it says on it diving, so you can, I guess, connect it to your hand or whatever, so that way it's lights up all the time. Easy to flip it and change it. If you use this kind of razors, you might still want this gadget right here. You slide it to tighten it, slide it to release it, and then all I have to do is just slide the blade in halfway and then tighten it up, and that's it. Check this out. It will just spin and sharpen it, and it will only let you go one way, so you're not gonna make a mistake. Different angle, so that way you keep using blades and it's cheaper. How cool is that? Okay, one more time. It spins over. Grab this, release it, and now I can put it back into, for example, this blade. Does it look sharpened? Oh yeah, looks like even more sharpened than this one. Oh no. And then just spin this handle, close it, and ready to use it again. Super cool. I really like my Milwaukee replaceable bit driver, screwdriver, miniature one. But this one, check this out. It looks smaller, but at the same time it's bigger, because you open it and you can make it much taller by locking it up right here, and it has different sizes, and also push on that we have different bits. How cool is that? So just take one out, remove it, plug it back in. Oh, I was gonna say simple as that, but there you go. Plug it back in all the way, close it, boom. I like it. I know, feels like a little bit fidgety. This is simple as that, super tight. Just open one, pull it to here, push it back in, and ready to go. Does that do that? Nope, that's not ratcheting, so that might be even better. I don't know, which one do you guys like better, Ken Tools or Milwaukee? I showed you this long time ago, but I feel like they improved it. So it goes like this, and then whenever you hook it up to something, you can tighten it up, then you ratchet it up and make it tighter. But years ago I did it, show you guys how this works. You got press it and lock it. They were definitely a bit more flimsier. Nowadays everything is so much more durable and kind of intact. I like these ones. They definitely have upgraded them. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time.